So you might be wondering, how do you exactly share your screen in Google AI Studio here? Well, this one's quite simple. So first things first is you want to go to aistudio.google.com, and at the left side or the left panel here, you want to go and just click on Playground. Now in Playground, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and look for Live. So as you can see, you have Featured, Gemini, we have Live. Let's go and choose Live, and we want to go and choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview. Let's go and select this one. Now, since we've just selected this one, all we need to do is we want to go and just choose the share screen option here. Let's go and click on it. Now it's going to say, as you remember, recording of your interactions with Live API and content you share. So you go and read that, but let's go and click on acknowledge since we want to continue. Let's go and just start connecting to the server, wait for a while. Now it's going to ask you which one do you want to actually connect to. So for example, if you want to connect with this window here, you could go and select that, or you could go and just choose whichever window that you have available right now. So you can go and choose whichever you want. Like for example, I'm going to choose this one and click on share. Now, the great thing about this one is this will basically share your screen and allow you to basically interact with the AI using your screen. Now, from here, you can go ahead and start typing away. We can ask what they are seeing right now with the AI here, with the AI, and a lot more. Now, you can go and stop sharing by clicking on the stop sharing button here at the very bottom. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.